So spring is right around the corner, guys, and we are getting ready for our cleanish challenge. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Siobhan and I am a professional home organizer and stager. And today on my channel, I am actually sharing something new with y'all. Starting in the month of March, we are launching our 30-day cleanish challenge, guys. In the cleanish challenge, I'm going to take you room by room here in my house, walk you through steps on how to declutter and reorganize your space where it's functional for you and your family. We will be cleaning and reorganizing our space and taking control of our homes and decluttering things that we no longer use. Why cleanish, you may ask? Well, being a professional home organizer, I always hear people say, oh my gosh, your house is so organized, or it's always organized. And I'm actually here, guys, to let y'all know that that is so far from the truth. Just because I am a home organizer does not mean that my house is always clean. And in a matter of fact, it's actually pretty clean-ish. If I can be super honest, I still am human, guys. I have a full-time job, a husband, a business to run, and so many other things going on that there's times where my house does look pretty unkept, guys. And I want to take y'all through this journey with me, take y'all room by room in this 30-day challenge, and just break it down where we go through this together, take it step by step, and declutter each space. On March 1st, if you sign up for the challenge, we will be sending out our decluttering list, our daily cleanish checklist, and labels where you can label your boxes, like your donation box, your trash box, as well as a 30-day cleanish list, which takes you each day, tell you which room we'll be tackling for that day. And guys, it's not a whole day process. It only could take an hour out of your day. I understand that we are all busy, so we do not want to focus all day on cleaning these areas. And as a bonus, we will include a top favorite list of decluttering and home organizing bins. In these next few videos, we're going to have a series of us going through our house, cleaning and reorganizing the space. And with this 30-day challenge, I will be posting new videos every Monday of March, sharing with you an area in the home that I am cleaning. I'll be able to show you a quick and easy way to take all the items out of a space, use them, declutter them, see what you really need and really will use, take that, toss the ones you don't, and then reorganize the ones that you love and would want to keep. And with this 30-day challenge, I would love for you all to join in and clean your spaces along with me, tackling each item in each space and reorganizing it where it works for you and your family. So if you would like to join this cleanish challenge, go ahead to the description below and click the link, which will take you right on over to sign up. Also, I will be having this going on my Instagram as well. So if you head on to Instagram and want to follow along daily by using the hashtag cleanish challenge, we will be able to keep each other accountable and updated and just see how we are and check in on each other. If you like what you see, go ahead and comment below. Let me know if you're ready to join this cleanish challenge, because I know I cannot wait to see everyone and see the progress that everyone has. I'll talk to y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.